Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my channel, Agnes Mailina. In this video, I will show you a makeup tutorial where the price under 50,000 rupiah, but with quality is not bad. Let me show you step by step and enjoy my video. Okay, in the first time, I will clean my face with Viva Make Cleanser Bengkuang. This price is 6 until 9,000 rupiah. It's very cheap and you can get it on supermarket. Tap in your face. I use a cotton for clean the Viva Make Cleanser on my face. Okay, next I use Viva Face Tonic Bengkuang. This price same with Viva Make Cleanser is 6 until 9,000 rupiah. You can take it with cotton. And tap in your face. You can see it's very clumsy. Okay guys, next step I will use Wardah Nature Daily Aloe Vera Gel. This is what I use the base makeup or primer, so that makeup lasts longer. And this price is around 45,000 rupiah. You can take in your face and up top. Next, I will use Silky Soft Honey Powder by Bio Aqua, and its texture on the face is soft and blends with my skin, so I really like. And this price is only 25,000 rupiah. Okay, next I will use a shadow palette by Kyo1. This is from China's product, and you can get it start with the price is 24,000 rupiah. The color is perfect for everyday makeup. And now I want to use color, it's this color, and I mix with this color. You can see it's so perfect and I like it. It's very natural look, bronzy color. You can see the texture is matte and a little shimmer. And now I will use this color for the bright in my eye. And next I will use mascara from Holaaa. It's make a natural lashes, so I really like it. Before I use this, I will use the eyelash with color.
Eyelash is color. Sorry.
And now I use mascara. Eyelash curly, and this is natural and I like it. The finish is natural. Next, I will use eyebrow from Make Up 5. This price is around 10,000 rupiah and it's very pricey. This color is black, you can see it. Brush with brush eyebrow. Next, I will use blush on by Kalo, shade B11 Natural Beauty. The color is red. It's a natural blush. The price is around 20,000 rupiah. Okay, next time I will use lip cream from Kat Von D with side extra shine, and this color is Coral. It's in Coral, so I really like it. You can get it. This product from the price is 10,000 rupiah. It's very cheap and I like it. Okay, next I will use a highlighter by Absolute New York. I can get it from Beauty Class and I can free it. But you can have in store with the price 79,000 rupiah. Okay guys, this is the final look. You can see it. If you like this video, click like and subscribe, and see you in my next video. Dadah! You can see it's very glossy.